Okay, this image represents the logo. Okay, that's correct. Okay, here we go. So this is the custom logo with pixel. Also, we can choose a custom logo width to be 4.5 or 6.5. Let's choose this settings if we want. Okay, here we go. 6. Also, we can maximize or minimize. So here we see different options. Main menu below logo, or left align logo. Let's try to check here to see left align. If we want to make some aligns for the logo, main menu below logo. Let's try and check. Okay, that's correct. If we want to add a logo beside the menu, we can do that by uncheck the left align logo to uncheck the main menu below logo. Also, we can choose show lines in the header. Also, we can remove lines from the header. Okay, here we go. If we want to do that, let's try to change these settings for the custom logo. Let's try to see what will happen here. Okay, here we go. I recommend you to provide the main menu to be below the header, also the logo, also to be show lines for the navigation header. Okay, let's scroll down to continue. Here we see the fab icon. This means how to choose your default fab icon at the top. We can choose that by add some image to be represent your logo of your store with the size of 32 by 32 pixel with the extension of PNG. That's all. If you want to add this, here I'm going to choose my special photo with by PNG. Okay, here we go. Let's go to choose. Okay, this photo design with PNG. Okay, that's okay. Here we go. That's okay. Correct. Finally, top bar. As you see, top bar message. If we want to add a new top bar message, okay. Also, we can escape this to leave it with a blank if we want. So let's go to type some text here. Welcome to Alabama store. Here we go. Maximum 55 characters. Show search bar. Search bar appears to be on the top right. If I'm going to uncheck this, by default it will be hidden. The best user experience is to show this this search box on the search bar. Finally, I'm going to make save change for all of the settings. Okay, that's correct. Let's go to the front end of the site, then make some changes. The text of the logo, it will be disappear when the logo comes up. Here we go. That's okay. Here you see the color. Here you see the logo with the text. Okay, that's okay. Here we go. Okay, let's come back again to the admin. Okay, let's continue to make all of these changes. Header. Let's go to the footer to see what can we do at the footer. Okay, here we see the latest blog post, blog news, or also we can choose another blog categories or tags. Here we see the show footer menu. If we want to show main menu or footer menu, add the footer menu. Also show additional footer menu if you want to add new additional menu, additional footer menu or main menu. If we are looking to add more menus, here here we see the show social media icons, add accounts in the social media section. Also here we see the show contact information. If we are going to add more information, if we want to add contact form or contact text as email or other details. Also here we see the show newsletter sign up if we want. Okay, let's continue here. So at the footer, firstly we are going to show the content of the footer: latest news from the blog, quick links, search about us, also follow us through social media links. Okay, let's go again to customize the footer. Show latest blog. If you are going to uncheck this option, okay, here we see the latest option comes away. So let's go to check again to see the show latest. Okay, here we see the show latest news, show latest blogs, and at the blog only we have the news. If we are going to check none, then it will be it will see no information because of we choose in the none. Let's come back again to choose the news. Okay, it will show up the news. Okay, show footer menu. Footer menu, as you see, show this is the footer menu. We can choose another thing at the footer menu, like main menu. Let's go to choose the main menu to show up what will happen. Main menu. What are there? Main menu. Okay, let's go to save. Add the footer menu, then click here to close. Okay, here we see at the quick links, home, catalog, blog, about us. So at the footer menu, which is the quick links, we see a home, catalog, blog, and about us. Let's come back again to the footer menu to show up the footer menu to see what will happen. Sometimes to be slow. Okay, here's the footer menu. Footer menu with the search and about us. So let's save if we want. Then let's scroll down to see what can we do also. Here we see show additional footer menu. We can create a new menu with a new name, and then we can customize this menu for to be shown on different location. So let's try to select show additional menu, and here I'm going to show the main menu. Okay, because of there's two available menu, the footer and the main menu. Okay, here we see the main menu with the name of main menu. As I mentioned before, we can create a custom menu with a special name, then show up at this part. Let's go to uncheck this menu. Okay, that's okay. There's no need to be shown at the footer. Let's scroll down. Show contact information. Okay, I'm going to choose this option to choose to provide the contact us. Okay, here I'm going to add Alabama, US, example.